Hey lads, TechScanning here. So during the last few months, the Asus Zenfone 10 has gone through many leaks and rumors. And not only this, the brand has accidentally revealed the approximate value of the handset. Now, Asus has finally spoken out and confirmed the launch date as well as some of the very crucial details about the handset. So starting with the most important one, earlier some reports claimed that the Asus Zenfone 10 will not be a compact device. Thankfully, now an official short video teaser confirmed that the upcoming Zenfone 10 will be a compact device with a 5.9 inches screen size, the same as its predecessor. So this could be exciting for the people looking for a compact yet powerful device. And speaking of the performance, Asus has confirmed the Zenfone 10 will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, which we know the top performing Android chipset while being highly energy efficient. So surely it's gonna deliver noticeably better battery backup than its predecessor. Also, though it's not confirmed officially, but rumors claim that the Zenfone 10 will be powered by the 5000 mAh of battery, which in that case will be a huge 700 mAh of bump. On the other hand, the brand did confirm that the Zenfone 10 sports wireless charging that we missed on the Zenfone 9. Moving on, while Asus doesn't reveal any camera specs, which as per some leakers will be the 200 megapixel main camera, however there will be a 6-axis hybrid gimbal stabilization that should be great to get some unblurry amazing shots. And we have seen the similar tech on the Zenfone 9 doing an amazing job. So we can expect the same or even better on the Zenfone 10. Now for the launch date, the Asus Zenfone 10 will be unveiled on the 29th of June at 9 AM New York time. Let me know if you are excited about the Asus Zenfone 10 for being a compact device. Of course, I will keep you updated as soon as more details pop out, so be sure to subscribe and hit the bell button. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.